Alright guys, it's January 11th. Getting ready to move the cows. This is the alleyway in the section that they have already worked on, all up in there, over about right in there to the pond. This is the section that they're going on. We had about probably 3 or 4 inches of rain last night, and it's below freezing right now, so all of this grass is, you can hear it, it's iced over, but very lightly. A lot of green grass in here still. I wanted to show a way that when I'm moving my electric fence, there's no rhyme or reason on way to really do it. Like, the wire goes this way, and then it goes out and around and everything else. But like this weed right here, I'm not even sure what type of weed it is, but the cows aren't going to eat that. So what I do is I put the corner of the alleyway to like right there. So you're going to have animal impact on that weed, just like we did in this corner, being that it's wet. You can see where the corner was, and there used to be some sage grass and another one of those weeds like right in there in this area, and it's gone now. It's smashed in. I missed that sage grass, but they might get that the next time. But with 3 inches of rain, them out here, they wasted probably 70% of what was out here yesterday, which isn't an awful thing. You can see their foot marks, their hoof marks, and some of them go quite deep, but that's just what happens when you have rain. See how deep that is, and they're deeper than that in the alleyway. But the alleyway, what I'll do is, after they go up this side, the barn's up there, then they come down the alleyway, they work their way back up, and then as soon as they get worked up that way, I'll go east to west and strip graze east to west, and that'll give them new grass over here. They'll have about, I think it's 400 foot, and I'm going to move the fence about 45 foot, so they'll have a 45 foot by, like, I think it's 395 foot piece of grass that's new every day that hadn't been touched since July. And then they'll come over and overgraze this right here where they've already grazed on it, and then hopefully by the time I get down here, we'll have enough rain and snow and everything that anything that is left that's greened up that they need to eat, they can have another opportunity to eat it. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you right now. I'm going to turn the cows in real quick. All right guys, turn them in. They all know exactly where to go. Let me get behind them real quick. There we go. All right. Kicking. You can watch them turn that corner. They're happy to get the grass this morning. We're supposed to get close to 2 or 3 inches of snow tonight, or starting in about noon or so, 11 or noon is when the snow's going to move in. So what I might end up doing, they always try to find their boundary, figure out how far they got. But when the snow kicks in here in a couple hours, what I'll do is I'll wait until this evening, and then I'm going to get a couple of round bales. Probably do one today and one tomorrow morning, and I'm going to unroll it down the alleyway so that we can fix the mud, give it a little more something there for them to grab and kind of help reseed a little bit of the area. But they figured out how far they can go. Now they want to get to work. So it won't take long, and they'll all be heading down and eating. So that's what I wanted to show you. All right, guys, it's this is a 2-day update on the minerals. You can see how much they've been around it. They're definitely consuming the Neutrina one with phosphorus. They've consumed a little bit of the Big 6 and a little bit of salt. Looks like there's a lick right there, so they're consuming a little bit of it. So anyways, I just wanted to finish this video with a update on the minerals. In a previous video I showed what minerals I was feeding, so you can go back and check that out if you'd like. So alright, till next time.